It's like slime overload. This video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. Hey girl. Oh my god, I've been saying girl so much that I can't even say girl anymore. I'm just like, hey girl. Like, it's so natural. But I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today, I thought it would be fun to laugh a little bit. Maybe cringe. Over a year ago now, I did the Try Not to Cringe challenge, but slime version. I basically reacted to a bunch of cringeworthy slime videos. Let me know in the comments how quarantine is where you live, because I hope you're taking care of yourself. You know, one of the most important things right now in this era that we're going through in general is self-care, and I've learned that through quarantine. I've been so consistent with self-care in just the last couple months than I have in the last 5-10 years. I cut my hair. When I cut my hair, I got into hair care, skincare, and just a bunch of self-care stuff in general. Speaking of self-care, that brings me to today's sponsor. Thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. If you don't know about Function of Beauty, it's actually customized hair care products. Everything is customized to you. So it's really simple. You take a 2-minute survey on your hair texture and what your goals are for your hair. And then from there, you choose the colors, you choose the scents. You even get to name your hair products. And do you wanna know what I named my hair products? Function of Slime Girl. I also got a hair serum that gives me the shiniest tips that I love so much. My hair profile is not in the best shape. My hair is very fine, brittle. It's been through a lot, crazy split ends, but I did cut it recently. One of my favorite things of Function of Beauty products is that there is no parabens, no toxins, no sulfate, no GMOs. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Another convenient thing is that they deliver them straight to your door, and you can even customize your subscription. So you're not locked down if you want to have it for a few months, if you want it every few months, and you only want to restock once every 6 months, or you want it every month. It is completely customizable to you. You can cancel whenever you want. You have complete control of your subscription. My editor, Alex, actually started using Function of Beauty before me, and she told me about how it was amazing. Make sure to click the link at the top of my description box to get 20% off of your first order. So go get your Function of Beauty, and without further ado, let's get into this video. You know, I feel like some people would be like, girl, you're cringe, and I agree. Alex actually went ahead and made a playlist for me, and she sent it over. This is what we're reacting to, so I actually haven't seen any of these. Warning, dead insects. Please note that these were already dead when I added them to my slime. They were edible crickets, and I didn't harm any insects in the making of this video. I have to say it, I can't imagine being a cricket and dying only to be put into slime. It doesn't sit well with me. Like, why? Oh my gosh, this one. What? This is cigarettes. Somebody commented, why would you waste cigarettes like that? First of all, like, let's throw all the cigarettes away, but also like, mixing them into slime. It's one of those weird ones that if I saw on my explore page, I'd be like, what is that? And like, I'd be like, oh my God, what the, why? But I would click on it. So I feel like some of these are super cringy, but you click on it because of the shock factor.
Hey guys, I'm Tegan, I'm Sam, and we are the Rickerton.
Okay, this is actually amazing. So they're gymnasts and they're twins, and I'm so mad I didn't think about this first with Myra. Wow. Oh shoot, okay. Oh my God, this is not cringy at all. This is insane.
How did you do that?
How?
Putting in a cup of water.
Oh my God. I am just more impressed than anything. This is insane. Go subscribe to them right now. Oof, that gives me anxiety. I can't with the insects. I can't with the scorpions. I can't with all this. Yeah, that freaks me out. And especially like in the last video, there was actual insects in one slime, like where somebody put literal worms. Was it worms? What was the reason? Me, literally me if I played with this slime.
I don't want to even touch that.
Same girl. I can't with the scorpion stuff anymore. It's disgusting. I know it's not real, but oh my gosh, this is my girl Rainbow Playmaker with her Will It Slime series, and this is gravy in the slime. I actually really like watching these videos from her because they're pretty satisfying. Although some of the stuff is like weird, like she knows it's weird, it's mostly a series. Oh, it's melting. That happens a lot with food and slime. Oop. I'm screaming. One of the videos that Alex put into this playlist was a hot Cheeto slime. And that is so awkward because I too have made a hot Cheeto slime in the past. I belong on this cringy list 1000%. Oh my god, it's not even that bad. Like the hot Cheetos, like mine were drenched in Cheetos. Googly eyes and beads. When I made mine, I'm like, I'll try to justify why I did it. It's still cringy, but when I made mine, I liked it because it smelled like it, and it was also extremely crunchy, and that's why I did my hot Cheeto slime.
Slime.
Hold on, what's that?
Slime.
Ooh.
Today we're going to make some bug glue. Personally.
We're gonna make some bug glue, yay! Yeah. Obviously, like it's different, but it's pretty funny. Like I think it's hilarious. Oop.
Make some all.
Oh, girl. I can't with these bug slimes. I'm done. I'm over it. This isn't slime, is it? Oh. This is like. It's like where he works at, and it's just like this like stuff in the corner that is not slime, but it looks like slime. Oh, it's not meant to do that? Let me show you something that's like actually super cringy, and I can openly say that because this is my husband's video on YouTube that is now private because it was so cringy. It was actually my idea to do this video years ago. It was his first video ever on YouTube, and I remember one time seeing Pom Pom get like these crazy viral videos. I'm saying it out loud. We straight up copied Pom Pom, and we thought it was a genius idea to make a pair of butt cheeks to inject poop slime into the butt cheeks. Like, why? It would just be like a cool like pooping slime video. So I was like, Raul, I know what's gonna be your debut video. It's gonna go viral. It's gonna be so cool. And this is the video we made. So you're making the butt cheeks out of Play-Doh? This is like before butter slime. You will not find this video online, by the way, because it is privated, but you are seeing it now, so you're welcome. Oh my god, what is the reason? Like, what was it, Karina and Raul? I can't. I need to skip the butt making, the butthole making. There's no explanation to the video, and I'm really interested to see the comments after. Because, like, what in the actual So the colors you're using to mix together for your slime are melted chocolate and parakeet. So green and brown. Oh my god, Staplo. Remember when we used to activate with Staplo? Oh my gosh. And the slime looks like actual like diarrhea. I'm really trying to understand what people would like watch this and be like, what is going on? I'm telling you guys, it was a trend. It was a trend. Oh my god, wait, let me go back. Oh my god, I just paused at the worst moment. Like, you guys, the fact that this is literally like, we did that. Like, holy crap. Oh my god. And you know what's really funny? The other person that used to do these videos that they went viral for it, I remember they used to do like different colors. Like, they used to be like red, green.
Like clear red.
Like cool, vibrant colors. And I was like, you know what? Here's my viral idea. Why is it coming out of the butt if it doesn't look like poop? Like, go all out and make it look like poop. This is by far like the weirdest video we have ever put online, ever. Oh my god, the butt cheeks are literally falling apart. Like, it's like slime overload.
Dirty diaper.
Oh my gosh, that was a great laugh. What the heck did I just click on? Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so many bug ones. Ew. Nope. I think that's enough fail/cringe compilations for today. But you know what? This was actually a lot of fun. Looking back on all these videos, looking back like they're all mine. Oh my god, I bet I could definitely 1000% cringe a million times more at my own videos. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure if I watched my older videos too, my older slime videos, I would literally cringe like no other. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're staying safe. I had a lot of fun watching these and that was a good laugh. Again, I'm not trying to come for anybody. This is no shade to anybody at all. I genuinely had a good laugh with these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to click the link in the top of the description box to sign up for Function of Beauty and get 20% off of your first order. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.